आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. Today the question is, show that the equation 9x square minus 16y square minus 18x plus 32y minus 151 equals to 0 represents a hyperbola. Find the coordinates of the center, lengths of axis, eccentricity, latus-rectum, coordinates of foci and vertices, equations of directrices of the hyperbola. So now we are given that 9x square minus 16y square minus 18x plus 32y minus 151 equals to 0. So now this can be written as 9 into x square minus 2x minus 16 into y square minus 2y equals to 151. Now adding 9 and subtracting 9 to it, along with adding 16 and minus 16, this will become 9 into x square minus 2x. Now we will add 9 to it, so taking 9 common outside, it will be plus 1 minus 16 into y square minus 2y. Now this will be plus 1 because minus 16 has been taken common outside. So if we had added 9 here, so minus 9 here, and if we had minus 16 here, so plus 16 here to balance our equation, this will be equal to 151. Now this can be written as 9 into, this becomes x minus 1 whole square minus 16 into y minus 1 whole square equals to 151 minus 16 plus 9. Further simplifying this, it will be 9 into x minus 1 whole square minus 16 into y minus 1 whole square equals to 144. So if we divide whole equation by 144, this will become x minus 1 whole square upon 16 minus y minus 1 whole square upon 9 equals to 1. And hence this is the equation of our hyperbola. So moving further, from here we can say that a square equals to 16 and b square equals to 9, which gives us a will be equal to 4 and b equals to 3. And from here we can say that the center will have coordinates as 1, 1 because it is x minus 1 whole square and y minus 1 whole square. And if we use a and b, so this was the first thing which we need to find out. Secondly, we need to find eccentricity. So we know that b square equals to a square into e square minus 1. Using this formula, we will find eccentricity, which will become 9 upon 16 plus 1 equals to e square. Further solving, e square will be equal to 9 plus 16 upon 16. So this will become e equals to under root of 25 upon 16. This gives us equal to 5 upon 4. Hence we know that eccentricity will be equal to 5 by 4. This was the second thing which we need to find out. Now moving on, length of the axis. For that we know that transverse axis will be equal to 2a and conjugate axis equal to 2b. Now using the values of a and b, we will get 2 into 4, this becomes equals to 8, and here this will be 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. These were the third thing which we need to find out. Now fourth thing, coordinates of the foci. So we know that coordinates of foci are in the form of plus minus AE comma 0. Using the values of a and e, we can say that this will be nothing but plus minus 4 into 5 by 4, comma 0, which can further be written as equal to plus minus 5, comma 0. These are the coordinates of the foci. Moving on, the vertices will be coordinates of vertices. This is in the form of plus minus a comma 0, and this gives us equal to 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0, because we know that the value for a is equal to 4. Moving on, we need to find the equation of directrices. So equation of directrices will be, the formula is x equal to plus minus a upon e. So we know that the vertex, so we know that the center is 1 comma 1. So this will be x minus 1 equal to plus minus, now putting the values, it will become a by e. Now further we can write this as x equals to a upon e plus minus plus 1, which will give us x equal to plus minus 4 upon 5 by 4 plus 1, and this gives us x is equal to 21 by 5 and x is equal to minus 11 by 5. Now sixth thing we need to find out was the length of the latus-rectum. We know that latus-rectum is of the form 2b square upon a. Putting the values, we will get 2 into 9 upon 4, which gives us equal to 9 by 2, and hence our question is completed.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।